elephant, Kenzo and Jiro. Say, Kenzo, say hi! Mommy! Hi, elephant! Whoa! Naghahabol lang sila. Para siyang nagsushow. Clap. There's airplane there.
Airplane is swimming. Ganda mo ba yung ano?
Yeah.
Ganon?
Yeah. Palabas kami ngayon. Papunta kami somewhere dahil una ay mag-celebrate kami ng birthday ni Kuya Kenzo. Yeah! It's birthday na ni Kuya Kenzo. How old are you na? 4 tomorrow, November 14, 4 years old si Kenzo. At almost 1 month na din na walang off si Abby, kaya ngayon lang talaga nagkaroon. Kaya we'll take this chance na. Baka mahirap na makakuha ulit ng chance na makalabas. Kaya pupunta kami sa, where are we going, Kenzo? In the correct, we're going to the zoo. We're going to Riyadh Zoo. Yay! Yay, Tyler! We're going to the zoo. And there's an airplane. Very good. There's an airplane. So, sasakay tayo mamaya sa mini train. So, elephant doon. Elephant there. At saka mga camels there. Aviary here. Yeah, first stop. The flamingo. So, ang ganda ng paa nila. Oh, naka-modern. Makikita ba? Yeah. Kenzo, look at the flamingos. Whoa, the flamingos. He's on here. Up. Look him. Oh, look at him. Whoa, they're like model. Oh, straight ang legs, walang sakang. Pero yung iba, oh, nakatayo, oh, nakataas, oh. So, yung entrance dito ay 11.50 or 12 reals or around ilan ba? Less than 150 pesos. So, abot kaya. Yeah, we will see the other animals here, okay? They are resting. Yun, naka-floating sila, oh. Ayun, yung iba, nagsasunbathing na wala palang sun. Ang dami. That's the train. We will go to the train later. Whoa. Lama. Kenzo, nakita niyo, Kenzo? Where? Whoa, what's this? It's like what's that? With a Carabao body. Parang anteater. Anteater na merong Carabao body and paa ng Carabao din. Wow! Hey baby! Yun yung mga lama, oh. Wow! what do you want to see?
I want to see lion.
Jiro, what do you want to see? Whoa, we will find lion. Oh, there's a cat. Cat in the zoo. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a goat. What are these? Oh, ano? Usa. These are deer. A deer. A female deer. Do a deer. May tawag pa sa horn. You know, that's a doe. Doe a deer, a female deer. And that's a male deer. Oh no! It's an elephant! Those are big elephants. Look! Yeah, we will see it. Whoa! Say hi to the elephant, Kenzo and Jiro. Say, Kenzo, say hi! Mommy! Hi, elephant! Whoa! Nag-hi siya sa'yo, Kenzo and Jiro. Look! Anong tawag dun, Mami, sa ano niya? Sa buntot sa mukha. Buntot sa mukha. Ha? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Lion.
Okay, we will find the lion. So, marami dito, may dala silang mga mats or picnic mats. Naglalatag lang sila. Yon, picnic na. Meron mga bilihan dito ng mga food, snacks, chicha. So, ayan. What's this? What? Whoa, it's a cheetah! Here! Ay, it's not a cheetah, it's a caracal. It's sleeping. Let's find it. Here. Akala ko parang cheetah siya. Whoa, there's a cat. There's a cat in the zoo. And that is an antelope. Antelope. It looks like a cow. Pero meron siyang sungay ng deer or ng goat. Mukhang goat din. Look, he's looking at you. He's looking at you guys. Whoa. Hala. Ay, yung mukha niya mukha siyang horse. Face of a horse. Horn of a deer. Body of a cow. And feet of a carabao. Antelope. Dami nila antelope. And dove.
And
Smells like there are a lot of birds there. Mommy, it's there. A lot of birds.
dami niyang kamot doon.
Baka buntis siya.
May stretch mark.
Oo nga, meron silang stretch marks. Oh no.
They're coming for
Stretch
you.
marks and white stretch marks. Say hi. Kenzo, Jiro, say hi to them. Say hi. Go. Very good. Cute. They are like smaller version of the antelope. They doesn't have a name. Baby antelope. Wala, pinapakain nila oh. They're feeding them. Ang ganda ng swimming pool nila oh. Parang deer na parang antelope. Wow. No, they're feeding them. Is it not allowed to feed them? There's a bear before, but now it's closed. Oh, the bear! Kenzo, can you see it? Woo, woo. Hey bear, say hi! Maybe. Ayun nga, may trampoline siya. Wow, ang ganda ng bahay niya. Merong falls. Aroy, grabe siya. Ay, meron siyang bahay, oh. Oh. Bye-bye! Grabe yung katabi ko, sumisigaw ng dugba. Ibig sabihin mataba. Tumitingin naman ako, akala ko ako yun. How's your bear? How's the bear? There's a giraffe. Giraffe. Nakala mo statwa lang, oh. And the zebra. And more zebras. Bumi. Ano yung isa daw? Parang deer din, deer. Yung giraffe hindi gumagalaw, oh. Kala ko ano nga eh, kala ko statwa eh. Ayaw talaga nilang gumalaw. Ayun, gumalaw na yung buntag. Wow. Where's the zebra? Ayun, it's there. Where's the giraffe?
May zebra pa dito lang.
Ayun. 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 Ay, dalawa ba? Oh, I didn't see the other giraffe. Oh, yun, tinan mo, naabot niya yung ano, oh, yung tree. Kumakain yung giraffe, look. Galing dun sa dates. Ito yung mga bigger birds. Ay, may small bird din. Wala, there's a choo-choo train. There's a choo-choo train. Choo-choo train. There's a big bird there. What are those? Whoa, dami! Whoa, dami! Look here! They're so cute. Gino, come here! They're eating, what's that? They're eating kangkong. No, it's like spinach. Wow! Spinach, diba?
Yung spinach.
Jiro! They're so small. What are those? Those are rock hyrax. Rock hyrax. Rock hyrax. Kenzo, Jiro, those are hyrax. Kenzo, Jiro, the tigers are there. Can you see the tigers? Nagtago yung iba there. Ay, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tigers. Jiro found a dragonfly. It's like a nangangagat yan ng ano, ng utong, ng nipple. Nandito siya sa parang dragon tree. So, hinahanap ni Kenzo yung lion. Di ba, Kenzo? Lion and monkey. So, So hanggang ngayon, di pa namin nakikita yung lion and monkey. We'll try to find them. Mamaya nang gusto mong bilhin sa mini market. So ang hirap mamili kasi puro Arabic. Yun o, meron ding fish. Ayan, may mga fish. Dami dun o. Yung orangutan tulog. Ay, may baby orangutan there. Yun yung gumagalaw yung baby. You have to share. Can you show me your big lollipop? It's bigger than your head. Well,
Eat it.
are you happy, guys? Mga birds, oh. Again. The lion is sleeping. Kaya nga. What is this? Sound effect lang. Ito pala, ay Nafura or fountain in English. Fountain in English. Pero hindi na siya working right now. So, dyan daw lumalabas yung tubig. Pero fountain pala ito. Ang ganda. Ang laki. Ang laking fountain. Nice fountain. Oh. Cactus. Cacti. Sorry. Oh. Refreshing. Refreshing. So rest na muna kami dito sa parang may mga cottages sila. So sa tabi lang ng grill or ng restaurant nila dito ay magpapahinga. Ang luwang, sobrang luwang itong zoo na ito. Nung binasa namin, nung 1957 pa pala ito itinayo, parang as a gift to the king. Ganon, nag-consult sila sa isang London-based na architectural firm para i-design itong zoo na ito, Riyadh Zoo. At after 30 years ay nire-open ulit at nagkaroon ng mga renovations noong 1987. So hanggang ngayon, ito, ang luwang. Mami, tama ba? 22,000 hectares? Or 22 hectares? Parang mga gano'n, 22 hectares na land area. Hindi ko sure kung 22 hectares or 22 football field ang size nito. Kahit sobrang daming tao, hindi mo mararamdamang sobrang dami na kasi hindi masyadong congested dahil nga maluwang. Hindi masyadong dikit-dikit yung mga cages or yung mga dens ng mga exhibits nila or ng mga animals nila. So, ayun. Okay naman yung mga labels, yung mga signs, kasi dun sa nabasa namin ay kulang daw ng signages, madumi, pero parang ano naman siya na mami? Well maintained. Tsaka visible yung mga cleaners. Tsaka yung mga nagbabantay. Laging may naninita, may mga security guards, may mga housekeeping. Naninita dun sa mga nagpapakain. Ang dami. Kasi walang namang label, walang signage na bawal magpakain.
Oh, meron. Arabic
meron ba? Ayun, meron daw pala. Pero Arabic, so hindi ko nabasa. Maraming naninita. So bawat ano yata, parang merong naka-assign. So magaling. Hindi pa namin nalibot lahat, pero pagod na kami. Naka 2 hours na tayo. So ang plano na lang namin ngayon, after kumain, ay pupuntahan lang namin yung mga monkeys na request nila Kenzo. Then we will ride on the train. Ayan, maghahanap kami ng train. Then pakauwi na kami. Hindi namin nalibot lahat. Siguro next time ay doon naman kami sa ibang mga parts na hindi namin napuntahan. Dahil meron pa kami hahabuling activity later. Wow! Merong nagka-kite flying. Yun. Napuntahan namin yung lion na meron pa sound effect. Kasi tulog naman yung lion pero merong maingay na umuungol na lion. Ayun. May umuungol ding baby. Nagutom. Kasi pagising namin, gumising kami. Mga 12 na yata. Eh, ang opening nito ay 12:30. So, nag-travel pa kami ng 15 minutes. So, marami ng tao kanina sa labas. At marami pang tao ngayon sa paligid namin. Ayan. Halos wala. Yung ibang mga babae dito, wala nang abaya. Pero yung iba naman meron pa. Siguro yung mga expats din na mga Araba eh. Wala na silang abaya. Siguro mga Egyptian. Ayan. Hindi eh. Kasama yung subo mo. Ayan. Enjoy naman. Ayos naman dito sa first time namin mag-zoo. Kenzo, are you happy? How do you feel? How do you feel, Kuya Kenzo? Hungry? Kanina you want to go to the lion, but then you heard the roar of the lion. He got scared. How about Jiro? Jiro, how are you? What are you eating? What are you eating, Jiro? Are your hands clean? Ay, nako.
Ay, naku po.
Jiro. Ayoko nga. Namamaga.
Ba't ganyan?
Pwede yan, be. Ito po, oh. Dami nila.
Zero.
Simulita. Ha? Pati yung baby nasa taas, oh. Look at them. Hey, Gibbon. Hey, Gibbon. Look at them. Whoa. Hey, Lemur. Lemur. Then Lemur. Only two. They're so small. Uy, small. Ha, baby, look, it's a baby. They're not monkeys. They look like lemur, pero smaller than lemur. Yung sila sa may mga tao. Kasi nagbibigay ng food. Hi! Oh! Kenzo nag-hi sa'yo! Say hi! Hala! Hello! Hi!
Kala niya mamimigay tayo ng food. Yung food niya, Ken.
Parang cheetah pero siya daw ay Arabian leopard. One lang. Lungkot niya. Ang kontrabida. Ano pala niya? Hyena. Ayun o. Hyena. Hyena ang kontrabida sa Lion King.
No, not yet.
No, not yet. Ayun sila, dalawa sila. Wow. Pusang malaki. Wow. What are they? What are they, mommy? Tiger? Leopard? Or cheetah? He's alone. He's alone. Yan? Whoa. They are swan. Swan ba yun, mommy, or goose? Black swan. With fountain. Ayun, yung white swan. Silver swan, wala.